Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a rainy day today, as you can see. But I'm not complaining because it's super hot in other parts of the world. Today I am going to unbox an item that I bought from Amazon during the Amazon Prime Day. It originally cost £319, but it was for sale for £248. And I'm paying for 5 monthly installments, zero interest. Isn't that a good deal? Now, let's unbox it and see what's inside. Let's open this box now. Ta-da! There it is, the Ninja Foodi Max 15-in-1 SmartLid Multi Cooker. Okay, I've got the box out, and let's open this. Right. Okay, so what we have here are some documents. We have the Ninja Foodi Max. This is the instructions. It has some sample recipes on how to make these recipes using the Ninja Foodi 15-in-1 multi cooker. Remove this top cover, some accessories. Okay, I have to put my camera down as I lift this up because it's too heavy for me to lift with one hand. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ninja Foodi SmartLid Multi Cooker. Ta-da! Oh, look at that. So introducing the Ninja Foodi Max 15-in-1 SmartLid Multi Cooker with Smart Cook system. It was from the creators of the original game-changing Ninja Foodi Multi Cooker. So this next generation multi cooker offers even more exciting ways to cook your favorite meals. Now let's have a closer look at this Ninja Foodi SmartLid Multi Cooker. Right, let's try to remove all these tapes. Okay, what's this one? Oh, I think it's for some collector of water from the steam. And this one is a tape that holds the valve for pressure cooking. So that's the bulb. And then let's open this. Okay, so lift here. Right. So this is a smart lid. Okay, let's slide this and then lift it up. Oh, wow. Okay, so you can see the electric coil inside. Now let's open this. And aside from these stainless steel racks wherein you can cook your food inside the Ninja Foodi SmartLid Multi Cooker, it also comes with a bowl where you can air fry Okay, that's it. Yeah, so if you're cooking something with oil or grease, it just falls or drops to the bottom where it gets collected at the bottom of the pan. So this is the nano protected pan inside. So you can do a lot of things with this stuff. So that's the inside. So this one heats up, and then you have the electric coil at the top when you grill or bake or whatever. So you put this inside, and this one, and you can air fry something in there, cook something in there, or if not, if you want to slow cook, you can just put your food inside and start the cooking process. If you want to saute, you can do it in here, okay, or make some soup or broth, whatever. Or you can even put this inside if you want to steam, and you can even make it a two-tier steaming machine. See, it's a two-tier steamer. All right, put two levels there. Okay, all right. So these are all the accessories that comes with the Ninja Foodi. Okay, so let's close this. You cannot open this, guys, unless you move the SmartLid slider towards the right. Now let's talk about the different features of this Ninja Foodi Multi Cooker. This Ninja Foodi SmartLid Multi Cooker has a 7.5 liter capacity, which can cook up to 6 portions. It has 3 modes, 15 functions, and you can unlock 15 cooking functions under one SmartLid. So you simply switch between cooking modes using this SmartLid slider. So you can slide it to the right, further right. So this lid intelligently recognizes which function you are using. So we will plug in this Ninja Foodi Multi Cooker and check out the different functions of each mode. I have now plugged in the Ninja Foodi Multi Cooker. So as I have said, the SmartLid slider will unlock the 3 modes and the 15 functions. So you can toggle effortlessly between pressure cook, combi steam, and air fry modes. Right. Okay. So at the moment it's on pressure cooking mode. You can see there it says pressure, and pressure cooking mode is on the extreme left side of the slider. So we have several options with pressure cooking. We have the natural release. Okay, we'll try to use this button, natural release, and then we have the quick release, and then we have the delayed release. Quick release, I think, is when you quickly release the pressure, and then natural release, allowing the Ninja Foodi to just naturally release the pressure. And then you have the temperature, which is actually on high, and then it's low. Okay, so it's only between high and low. All right. And then you have the temperature of the time. So that's 10 minutes, 9 minutes. You can increase it depending on how long you want to pressure cook your food. and then you have your start stop button over here. Now when the slider is on the pressure cook mode, you cannot lift up this cover that is for security and protection, or else everything will pop out during the pressure cooking process. And as you pressure cook, the steam will gradually come out from this pressure valve over here. Now let's go to the second mode, which is, let's move it there. Okay, it's a combi steam. So if you want to steam some food, you can move the slider to the middle, and now you are on combi steam mode. In combi steam, you have different options there. Steam meals. Okay, let's have a look. Let's move this. Now you have the steam air fry. You have the, let's go back, steam roast. Yeah, if you want to roast chicken, roast beef, you can set it on this function. And then you have steam bake. If you want to bake, you know, banana bread or whatever bread you want, Spanish bread. You also have the, so it says steam bread. Yeah, so steam bread is different from steam bake. Probably if you want to bake some pasta, bake macaroni, all right, sushi bake. So those are the different functions under the combi steam mode. And you also have here the temperature that you want to bake your food. And then you have the timer here. Okay, now let's move to the next mode, which is and that is the air fry mode. That's the air fry mode, or the hub mode. Now it has several different functions. Let's have a look at the functions. So we have the sear, saute, we have the steam, we have the slow cook, and you can even make yogurt from this. Okay, and let's go back. You have approve. Okay, and then dehydrate. Oh, you can dehydrate. You can dehydrate fruits to make it dried fruit. You can dehydrate meat, so you can have a jerky beef, okay, or beef tapa. You can also bake, and you can grill. You can grill some fish, grill some pork, and air fry. Air fry your potatoes to make French fries or chips. So there are a lot of functions. 3 modes, 15 functions. So where can you find such a lovely kit that can do all these things? I just love this. I have a Philips air fryer, but it only fries. But this one, it can do a lot of things. Once you start cooking, you will enjoy what cooking is all about. It's easy to wash and clean. Just take it out, wash it. But when you wash and clean this pot inside, make sure you avoid using abrasive materials. So it's better to use wooden or non-sharp or abrasive utensils when cooking, because it might scratch the inside of this pot. Later tonight, I'm gonna teach my family how to use this, so that even my children can use this to air fry, to bake, or to cook whatever they want. You know what? This is a very heavy piece of kit. I think it weighs about 12 kilograms. Yeah, I cannot lift it up with one hand. I need to lift it up with both hands. So I will surely enjoy using this kit. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. And if you are interested in buying this, just go online. You can buy this from the Ninja online store, or you can buy it from Amazon. Sometimes Amazon provides interest-free installment payment, or you can use your Klarna to pay in 3 installments, interest-free. Okay, we'll now try to cook some fries. Let's open our Ninja Foodi. So when we cook anything, we have to make sure that the cooking pot is always in the multi cooker, and then we put our grease basket, pour some fries, and we close the lid. So there's no oil, just the fries straight from being frozen. Close the lid. Okay, so we are on the air fry mode, so let's switch this on. Okay, so air fry mode, so temperature 220 minutes, and we are on the air fry setting. Yeah, so 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then we just press this on, start. There we go, and we'll come back in a few minutes to check our fries, or French fries, or chips, whatever. Right, so 12 minutes left. So from 20 minutes, was it 20 minutes? Yeah, about 8 minutes have passed. So we're gonna have a look how our air frying has gone so far. Let's open the lid. Oh wow, wow, look at that. So once you open the lid, guys, air frying automatically stops, and then when we close the lid, the cooking process restarts. There we go. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, and it's the end of the cooking process. We're gonna open the lid, lift it up, and oh la la, nicely fried. Okay, let's take it out. Let's take it out. Right, let's pour it in here. Okay. Oh, there you go. Well done. Look at that. Oh, it's very crunchy. Yeah, it's very crunchy. Wow, it's so crunchy. So that's how it is, guys. Look at our chips, air fried chips. Thank you for watching, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I would be happy to show you some other new stuff, some of my travel vlogs, cooking demos, and product reviews. So we will see how this works in the next few days.